Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke, where we do cash up and budgeting, paying off our debt, and minding my business. Child, welcome to Minding My Business 101. Okay, love to have you here. And if you are so gracious to say and enjoyed the video, then I hope you guys hit that subscribe button. Okay, liking the video, leaving your comments down below, because baby, we love to have you here as a part of the family. All right, so as you guys can see, we're gonna do a budget with me. So let's get into the video, because no shade, no tea. Let's go. Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I've zoomed y'all in so y'all can see what's all up in my business, because I love to have you here. Welcome to the family. I invite you guys in. Let's talk about it. So this is my second paycheck in September, baby, 15 September to be exact, and I got paid a cute $1,471.18. Okay, I don't have anything else coming extra with it. It's just this money right here. So I will, again, as my total, $1,471.18. I'm not aware of any money that's hiding in the bushes and the trees outside in my room. I don't wear none of this. So just this from our salaries. Okay, now we are going to move down to my expenses of what we're going to use this money to pay for. Okay, because the bills is billing. All right, so first thing is my mortgage. I did pay half of my mortgage on my first September paycheck. So child, we got to pay the second one, because what we do not like is Uncle Sam coming for us, checking for us at the door. Okay, stay outside. You're not invited in. Y'all are, but he's not. All right, so my mortgage, half of that is $660. So that is what I will put there for my budget. Merrick is my father in Jamaica. I sent $100 to him on that last check. I'm gonna send it to him again on this check. So we have $100 that is gonna be budgeted for him to go, right? Next thing I have is my Apple Care, because whenever these iPads break, child, I need somebody to fix it, because I don't want to pay this money. Now I will say, okay, she ain't been broken for a good minute, but she did break once before, and I had this Apple Care, and this $8.01, I know for a year now. Let's calculate it. This $8.01 times 12 for a year is $96.12, right? And let's multiply it by 3. The iPad that I have costs a cute little penny, baby. So even for 3 years, I paid $288.36. It's not that bad. So I'll take it. So I'm gonna pay my Apple Care faithfully, and that is $8.01. I forgot to put the due dates, but that's okay. Then my Apple One is really my Apple Music, and I should just put it as that, child, but it is what it is. I have the family plan, because I pay for Apple Music, my mama pays for Netflix, and I'm on my best friend's YouTube. Hey, don't hate the play, hate the game. So Apple One, that is $18.18 for the family plan. I think it's me, my nephew, my dad, and my mom. So yep. Water, I have budgeted $60 for it, because it seems about the normal amount of what water is for my bill, child, that comes every time in the mail. So that is that. And then electricity for me is $100 is what is budgeted. We don't know what electricity will be, but from what we've seen so far, like, this is about what it normally is, and it's been doing well with that 100. So we love to see it. So yes to that. So that is electricity 100, water 60, Apple Care $8.01. So 100 plus 60 plus 18 for Apple One, plus $8.01 for Apple Care, plus $100 for Merrick, plus $660 for our mortgage. So that comes out to $946.19. Okay, baby. All right, W is a lie. Now, this is something that I've already paid for with this money, but I'm going to account for it in this budget, and it is drinking water. So every 3 weeks to a month or so, my office has to buy drinking water, and so I have to put in my portion of that, whatever that may be. And so for this month, I ended up putting in, okay, drinking water. And I'm putting $20 into that for drinking water. So previously my amount was $946.19. Then we're going to add this $20 for my drinking water. Now we are at $966.19, and that is going to be all my expenses for my second paycheck. So we're going to do that, $966.19. All right, so we do 1471.18, $1,471.18 minus $966.19 leaves me with $504.99. Okay, so that's what we're gonna put here, $504.99. Now we're gonna go down to my cash envelopes where I have groceries, transportation, toiletries, household, and allowance. Not gonna lie, I don't have any reason to fill out any of these because I did put some money in there before. And so yes, so groceries we're budgeting $0, transportation also $0, toiletries $0, household, what is it, $0, and allowance because we're not giving ourselves no money. Oh, what is she? I can't think. $0. So that means the total for all of this is $0 right here. So nothing has changed in my remaining balance of $504.99. Okay, and so since we've done that, we're now going to move to my emergency fund. Now, not a lot is going to my emergency fund. Listen, October 1 paycheck, I think everything here is going to get a little va-va-voom, a little, you know, upgrade. But for right now, they're just going to be a little basic. And so with that being said, my budget for my emergency fund is a cute $6.97. And I am just grateful that I can even put something in there. So $6.97 is what we're going to put in there because we need to make sure that we are able to do our additional savings and our additional debt in those two sections. So my total, $6.97. Now, y'all, we're going to additional savings, and I have the 100 envelope and all my other challenges, which includes the SNC challenges. Unfortunately, neither of these are getting money. That is what I'm budgeting for because Boo Boo the Fool, aka me, all right, decided that she was going to spend a whole bunch of money, and so I have to pay off my credit card because I do not want to pay interest. Okay, one thing about it, two things for sure, we are not paying interest no more. Okay, come on, that's another quote, put it on the shirt. And so, ooh, my bad, I forgot to put the remaining. So $504.99, so 504.99 minus $6.97 comes out to $498.02. So we are going to do that, which is $498.02. Boom. And so yeah, that's remaining. And then for additional savings, we had $0 here. So again, remaining $498.02. Right? And so now we're going to take that into my additional debt. Again, Boo Boo the Fool over here spent on our credit card, and guess how much we're going to put towards our credit card? $498.02, because that is what is basically left for us to pay in order for us to pay no interest, which is what we like. So my total, $498.02. That leaves me a remainder of $0. And so in my categories, this is how we're doing it. Income source, $1,471.18. Expenses, what we said, $966.19. Cash envelopes is $0. Sinking funds is $6.97. Additional savings, $0. Additional debt, $498.02. Listen, I did not have to put this much money in there. If only I can do, if I could manage my spending, and that is a problem, y'all. I really don't think doing a budget is a problem for me. It's the spending that's a problem for me. And so yeah, once I get that together, I think I'll be bomb calm. I'm not gonna lie to you, but right now this is the irresponsible decision, make responsible bills. The $498. I'm gonna keep saying that because that is a great quote. Okay, irresponsible decisions makes responsible bills. Come on now. And so yeah, that is how I'm gonna budget my paycheck for this. Ooh, not in. Let's zoom out. For this second paycheck right here. And baby, you see it. I don't got nothing to do with nothing else except for paying a bill. That's crazy. That's crazy work. I have $1,471.18, and all I'm doing with it is paying a bill. AKA, y'all, make better decisions. Do not be me. Okay. Now there is changes that's happening in 1 October. I'm gonna have to buy food now on my own because there's changes coming there, and so I'll tell you guys more about it in my October monthly budget. You know, making my October budget or whatever. But yeah, October is going to be a real interesting month. I'm super excited for it because your girls, that check gonna be checking, and so I'm really excited for it. But yeah, guys, that is it. And hopefully responsible me happens in September, so I do not have to go through this again. Because what am I doing? Really, this, what am I doing? But anyways, y'all, that is it for the video. If you came here because you are sick and tired of budgeting and budgeting wrong, baby, me too. I'm consumer debt free. I'm gonna stay consumer debt free, meaning I didn't pay any interest in August. I'm not gonna pay interest in September, and hopefully we continue this ride in October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, you know, the entire 12 months of the year. But that is the energy I'm on. Hopefully fingers crossed, God willing, and everything holy and above, I will be eating at the DFAC. I will not be spending money, and we do not have no random bills that be popping up, you know, some pop. Like, hello, excuse you, anybody invite you inside the house? I invited y'all. Them bills be coming out of nowhere. But yeah, y'all, we doing what we can with what we got. So hopefully this was informative. It helps you so you can understand how to budget your money, and sometimes the sacrifices has to be made, but baby, do what you got to do. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke, and I will see you in another one. Okay, hopefully in another one. I'm really excited to be cash stuffing, okay, because I'm gonna have that cheddar. Anyways, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.